Okay, so first we're gonna start with the butternut squash pasta with the Annual Harvest pasta sauce with the apple smoked chicken sausage and garlic chicken sausage, as I'm going to mix them together as I think that tastes really well. Then you're gonna need some broccoli and cauliflower for the salad, and then this awesome green bean sauteed kit that it's my first time trying and I'm really excited about, that I think will taste good. Then you're gonna wanna boil some water for the pasta, per usual. Now, while the pasta is heating up, you're gonna wanna cut up your chicken sausages. I did 3 of each, so 3 of the apple and 3 of the garlic herb. So it's up to you if you wanna use all 4 from each package, but I think 3 is enough for this prep. Then you're gonna wanna heat up the chicken sausage. Then you're gonna dump in your green beans and put some salt and pepper. Then we're gonna add in the garlic sauce that comes with the package and just start mixing it in. Once it's done cooking on the stove, you're gonna wanna mix in the final garlic and nut mix. Now once everything's all put together, you're gonna wanna add in your sauce. Then you're just gonna wanna make your salad. You can use any salad you want. I use this one as it comes with some carrots inside, and then just add your broccoli in. And then this should be the final look on the meal prep. So I put all the pasta in this big bowl as I don't have enough Tupperware for it, and plus you can just do your own serving size. Then your salad with the cauliflower and broccoli, and then your green beans. So this should be the end look, and then you can just do all your serving sizes when you eat the food.